Sink or swim when the bell goes off. No emotion in the trade, cut it, no loss. Ride the wave, don't fall, don't bend. One shot in the market. Sink or swim, yeah. From the open to the close, we win.
Hey, look at us. We are back. Happy Monday. Happy morning. 9:27. Holy jeez. We are back at it. And what are we playing right now? We got some music playing right now. Fight the chop? Fight the chop just to start it off? My God, it's been so long here. We still have 2 minutes before market opens. It's been a heck of a journey. I don't know. Oh, and look at this. Apprentice. Woo, look at us. We are officially verified. We are verifiably an affiliate now. A full-blown affiliate. We did it, gang. For Legends Trading, the first of hopefully many as we continue this beautiful little journey. My God, the market is just sinking off. 928. Oh, I hate to take these little early trades, but I've been chasing this short actually all morning. We have a 1 hour candle right here that has zero bottom wick. That would bring us back down to 29,483. So we still have 60 points to fall here. I was kind of hoping that we'd push up a little bit and then hit the fall, and I could kind of target that at like 935 because I don't like doing friggin' trades this early. And this is why. If I enter this trade right now, it's going to rip back up to the 600s, watch. And then we're going to get that push down to fill this bottom wick. But, man, I missed you guys. It's been a full week. We were obviously on vacation the last week. Last 7 days here in the Caribbean. Nice little time to get away with the family. But definitely excited to get back. And curious to see how YouTube is going to punish me for the week away. I can't imagine that algo like that too much. Hey, good news. Was about time you show up, good sir. Hey, morning, big dog. I know, man. I miss you guys to death. Shoot, man, this 29,484 is just teasing the shit out of me, and I'm just seeing it get wiped out. We were all the way up here at 600s. I didn't want to take the trade yet because we were too close to market open. And now here it is. The trade's kind of going without me. We have 10 seconds left before market opens. I'm honestly hoping for a push up, a rejection at 600s again, and then I kind of want to short this thing down to that. Oh, fuck, here it goes. We went down to the 500s. We still need to get all the way down to 484. I gotta imagine we're gonna hit a bottom wick on that 1 hour candle. 484s. Ah, shit. Do we want to try to chase it? I've learned my lesson so many times not to chase these candles. $9.30. Yeah, look at it. It's still ripping. I mean, it's still a bullish market, but man, it's just such a good target right there. It's such a good target. But obviously it's 9:30. You don't make trades, Greg. Don't make trades until 9:36. We've learned this lesson so many times. Battling the 550s here. Battling the 550s. Which, when I go back and rewatch this stream, I'm going to see that I even said, man, I want this thing to rip up. Rejected the 600s, and then we can join the short. And we jumped in a little bit early. Come on. 209. Yeah, we're still kind of showing some downward pressure though. But we really need to break through the 50 right here. We have another 1 hour candle, bring us all the way down to 28,894 if we really want to stink and sell off today. Trade's starting to work out in our favor just a little bit. I was in drawdown, so we're going to drop the stop. I know we're just going to get stopped out before the friggin' trade even worked out in our favor, but it was silly. We shouldn't have entered when we entered. Fuck me. And look at that. Now we got the kind of a boom. Now we're starting to get the signals we want to get. Look at that. I just got stopped out just to enter again. 484, 484, 484 has to get hit. 484 has to get hit. Yeah, I don't know. It definitely wants to push. Well, there's our 487. We did it, gang. We did it. Hold on. Do we actually do it? There it is. That candle, that 1 hour candle has that bottom wick now that we were targeting. So, with all intents and purposes, now we can go up. Damn, down to the 470s. This should be a good little support point, though. We got to see how it goes. So how you been? Good news. How has everybody been? How has our friends been doing? Oh, I love that. I got my pup underneath me again. Gone for an entire week. We got the doggo back. If it wants to keep selling, what are we going to do? We have our... Well, there's London High right there, 438. Real nice sell-off so far. Still pushing though, still pushing. Man, look at that. Had the right idea. We just we got too nervous because of that draw down there, which stinks too because I said wait until it comes up to almost the 600s, then join the short. We joined the short too early. I made money on it though. We're up 205 on the day, but we definitely could have made a heck of a lot more if we actually stuck with it. Man. Just falling. She's just falling. This is a 5-minute pivot point right now. That 410s is a pivot point on the 5-minute. We should get good support down to the 370s as well. $535. We got our opening 5-minute range now, which we're starting to push through again. We're still pushing through that 5-minute pivot point too. Back down to the 400s here. Oh, it'd just be such a big stop right now. That's the problem too. Is shorts look great, but your stop would have to be way the heck up here, 560s. It's a 110-point stop. Man, gang, and if you could, do me a favor. Usually I don't push the likes early or anything, but since I did take a full week off for the vacation, if you wouldn't mind sneaking a couple likes in early, I'm sure that'll help out this algo a little bit. Otherwise, I think it's going to be a little bit of a dead day for us. 480s is basically where our 9 EMA is. That would be a good little rejection point, especially just because of all this kind of built up that we have right here as well. But I really want to see how it comes up and kind of, I want to see how it reacts around the 520s. or I want to see it break the 395s. If it breaks the 395s, not that that's a great target because it's so close, but 375s would be a pretty darn good target. The 200 EMA on the 1 hour is all the way down to 29,315. So that could be a pretty darn good target too. See if it's going to reject the 9, get back below the 440s, which is pushing pretty good. Oh, what time is it? 9:37. $20 seconds left of this candle. See if it wants to keep pushing. It seems like it does. We only have 9 seconds left. ES is looking a lot weaker than we are. Nvidia's still looking okay though, up here at the 209s. Forming a little bit of bull flag, so that's what we got to be nervous of here as well. I'm still leaning short, but we're definitely forming a bull flag and we're getting some bullish tendencies here. Good push up. Look at that push. Babe, did the Facebook people get back to you? Did they see it? They've been very responsive. Damn, rejection at the 500s. Really nice rejection. 38 is our average candle size right now. If we break back through the 440s now, it's looking a lot better for the downside after that wick, unless it comes back up to push back to the 500s. Q's does have a gap to the downside. We have 30 seconds left before our new 5-minute candle. Oh yeah. Man, everything's looking weak, but it's just holding on a little bit. It's holding on a little bit better than I want it to hold on. Hey, driving obsession! Woo-hoo-hoo! The friends are piling back in. Thank you, sir. It's good to see you. Good morning, man. How have all you guys been? How's everybody been doing? We're doing okay so far this morning, as long as this trade actually works out. Dang, it keeps looking nice, and then it's just not breaking. We need to break these 424s. And look at this, guys. We're verified now. Woo! We're officially a Legends affiliate now. Wow, look at that. Well, it seems like it's bound to determine come back up to test these 500s. ES is starting to look a little bit green again. Nvidia's still bear flagging. Same thing with Q's, but it just doesn't want to break yet. It's just kind of teasing us. Man, it sucks. It's such a big stop too. The stop is up here like 514. 36 is the average candle size still. Dang it, Nvidia just needs to break, man. If we can get Nvidia to break to the downside, then we will be okay. Dang, look at Meta, 580s. Tesla, 398. Google, 361. I kind of want to get back into some Google, too. Shoot, as we're pushing up to the 480s. Blech. There's our 500 tap. Damn. Look at that. Look at that push. Look at this stinking push, gang. Wow. Looks like we're going to be using that Legends code sooner than later. Pick up, right? Rejected off our little trend line right here. Hopefully she keeps sinking. We have a minute and 20 seconds before our new 5-minute candle. Come on, baby. Come on. Come back down to this 9 at least. Here's a new 1-minute candle. We need her to push. Push down, please. Push down. Come on, baby. Come on. We're so close. We're so close. Don't just tease me, please. Oh, so close. Look at that. It was so close. Damn, that's a strong wick off there. We need that wick to get eaten up. Damn, look at that. It came all the way down to my blue line just to pop up. How dumb. There we go. There we go. Fuck. Damn, just can't get it. Just can't get it to drop. Boo. Still forming a little bit of a bull flag here. Unless we can really get it to start ripping down. Hopefully breaks the 480s, then we can hopefully continue down to our original price target. Just not ready. All of our all of our EMAs are curling up again. Nvidia's back down to the 208.50, still looking weak. Let's see how it reacts at the EMAs here. We had a kiss down to the EMAs to the 500s again. Fuck, still breaking, still pushing. Damn it, these shorts are just teasing me. Man, I really just want Nvidia to lose that support right there. If Nvidia can lose the support, we're going to go down really stinking nice. It's 370s. If it breaks through, you know, breaks 444s, we'll probably add into it a little bit. Or if it comes up to 530s, we'll add into it there too, which again, stupid stops. Just big stops today. I mean, our average candle size is 45. That's huge. Those are huge candles. Here's a new 5-minute candle. Come on, we got to break 444. Alright, we're going to add in one there because we're starting to break. Hopefully that's us breaking support. We can keep breaking through. We should then break 424, hopefully. What we don't want it to do is break above 480s now. Yeah, unfortunately, that's what we don't want to see.
Markets open. Will we sink or will we swim? Sink or swim. Sink or swim.
Come on, NVIDIA. NVIDIA break. If NVIDIA can break right here, 208.18. If NVIDIA can break right here, we're going to have a nice little flush down. But we really need to hope that it doesn't pop up and get support right here too. It's at its 5 minute right now, 5 minute pivot point. And we got to hope we don't break 504, which we're about to do. Ah, that's frustrating. Huge candles today, 47-point candles, huge stinking candles.
Tried to pull me under, seen that splash, heard that thunder. Stock got tapped, but I keep my cool. Even deep waters got their rules. Bounce, bounce right back, now I'm reading flow. By a step in, yeah, I feel that glow. Reclaim strong like a surfer would. From the wipeout zone to the ride that's good. Every loss like a wave on the chin. Salt in my mouth, but I still grin.
Oh, shoot, guys. I think that's going to be a little bit too high. Oh, it's too close. It's going to be too close.
Learn to grow. Midday calm, but I stay away. Even quiet tides got moves to shake. One clean setup, that's all I need. Plant that tray like a steady seed. Wrist to reward like the push and pull. Can't rush the wave, gotta wait till full. Then I drop in smooth, no second guess. Let it ride.
Oh, NVIDIA's breaking. There you go. NVIDIA just broke. Come on. We really need to break right here. We need to break the 440s, then we're going to have a nice little push down. Fuck. Oh yeah, Nvidia's still falling. We should fall. Son of a gun, we should fall.
Patience in my mind, let the session begin. Coffee in hand by the lakeside dock. Price action ticking like a shoreline clock. Green candle rising, I don't chase, I wait. Discipline sharp, yeah, I regulate. Slow gains build, never rush the play. 1% better every day. From the screen to the sea, I align my mind.
Nvidia almost filled its gap, so it has a potential to pop back up in a sec. You gotta be a little careful.
Sun up to sundown, trades going green while I'm cruising around. Wake surf waves and the good vibes flow. Got my dogs, my ducks, yeah, we all in the glow.
Come on, baby. Keep sinking for us, please.
Stars on the water every single night. From the charts to the shore, man, I love this view. Living life clean with my whole crew. Make so tight.
Wow. Satoshi. Sorry, man. I was just friggin' locked into my trade here. I am the creator of the cryptocurrency king, but still hidden and full of challenges. I know you appreciate me. I know that soon I will secretly send you the queen of cryptocurrency address, Bitcoin. What is that, bud? What is that kind of nonsense? Look at that beautiful stinking trade. We were up 100 points on that trade right there. Beautiful stinking trade. We're up $346 on the day. That's not stinking bad, gang. Not stinking bad at all. Especially because a second there, we were in some drawdown. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. All right, we're going to pee real quick. Take a quick break. Pee real quick.
Trust my age, let the profits grow. Loss don't shake me, it's part of the game. Learn one lesson, never trade the same. Sunset glow with the bowl in hand. Carving waves like I plotted the plan. Life so sweet, yeah, I can't complain. From the charts to the lake, same lane. I'm living that lake life, feeling so free. Built it myself, now I just be me. Wake surf riding while the baseline roll. Financial peace deep in my soul. Meg by my side, Jet lead the way. Ducks and goats just vibing all day. From the grind to the glow, yeah, I made it through. Now I'm living this life like a dream come true. Yeah, man. Trade smart. Live free.
What's up, Snake Skin? BRB wired my entire bank account to the dude above. Dude, right? Snakes. Guys, look at how official we are with our Legends Trading affiliate code. So, gang, make sure to not hesitate. I'm getting you a Legends plan. And look at this. It's only 26 bucks. $23. For $23, you can have a Legends 50K account. That's not bad. Now we're getting into like Apex territory. So we do have some strong support down here at the 280s. We're at the 380s right now. We do have our VWAP down to 300. Man, Gio, I had no idea you were going up to that concert either. And of course, I also didn't know there was a concert, right? But that's pretty stinking cool, you, man. You're a really good friend. I wasn't gonna. I almost texted it, and then I was like, man, I can't start shit like that. And I was almost going to text something along the lines of like, man, Gio, you're such a good friend. You're so supportive. You're always going up to Nate. You're always seeing him, you know, saying hi to him, making sure he's there for the shows. Hey, Nate, when are you actually going to come to Florida? And I was like, like, Nate didn't like my last comment. Literally the last, which is terrible. I need to get a lot better at this as well. But like my last text to, you know, that group thread or whatever was Nate sending the Fatal Attraction song. And he's like, this is probably my biggest ripoff ever. And then I responded back, I'm about to start AI scrubbing your Oliver Hazard songs. Let's see what else you ripping off. It's a complete joke. And I'm sure he took it like, okay, but I feel bad. That's like the last thing that I said to him. Oh, you're going to try to get him to come in July? That would be cool, man. Though, of course, he won't text me, the son of a bitch. All right, let's see. If we can break 3... My God, sorry, gang. If we can break 363, we might have a chance of pushing down again. Otherwise, it seems like we're kind of bound and determined to come back up here and hit our little trend line and see if it wants to hold true again. That would bring us back up to the 500s, essentially. So now that NVIDIA's gap is filled, we're going to be a little bit more patient for a sec. We do still have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 1 hour wickless candle, but that brings us all the way down to 28,893, and I would be kind of shocked if we sell off 500 or 600 points today. But at the same time, apparently that's what happened Friday. I'm pretty, I mean, obviously I was on vacation. I had a wonderful, amazing time on vacation, but I'm a little disappointed I missed Friday for trading because it literally sold off like 1,500 points. It seemed like if you just went short at any point that day, you made some pretty darn good money. Still battling the 360s here. That's the 363 I wanted us to break. It's 5 seconds left of this candle. Then brand new 5 minute. We are below our 15-minute orb. We are forming a bear flag on the 5 minute. So all that stuff is showing some pretty good signs. Let's see if we have any type of push up here, and then maybe we'll try to rejoin the party. Like a rejection at 398. A 398 rejection would be great. I don't know if I'm going to get it, though. Man, that's another thing I got to always remind myself, and it's hard because I've been gone for a couple days, and now I'm back, and I'm all excited and stuff like that, is you don't have to trade every 2 seconds, Greg. You don't have to trade every 2 seconds. Give it a sec, bud. Just give it a stinking sec. See if this bear flag's going to play out, you know? See if there's a little trap that's brewing here. It doesn't seem like it. It seems like she just wants to friggin' sink. But look at that. Look at that push up to 400 real quick out of nowhere. Which that was our orb tap that I was kind of hoping for, but man, that happened really quick. Still 20 seconds. I don't like that it pushed this hard. It's coming up to the 21, so we might have a nice 21 rejection. But if it breaks this 428, ugh, yeah, I don't want to do a short now because we're still getting a good push up. Maybe we are going to come up to this trend line like I mentioned. Which, man, how many times today have I seen the short, I see the weakness, and I've been like entering here, for example, we're going all the way up here, experiencing all this stinking drawdown, and then getting out of the trade correctly. But this time, let's maybe just wait. I keep thinking like, it's not going to come all the way up to 510, and then it does it. Boom, boom, it did it there, it did it there. See, we broke the low. We broke the level I wanted us to break. I entered short here, came all the friggin' way up here. Luckily, I didn't get out of it. And I ended up okay, but still, it's kind of the same thing that's happening right now. It doesn't feel like it's going to come up to the 510s, but watch this son of a bitch come up to the 510s.
Already in the morning gloom, saw the candles dancing near VWAP line. Felt that rhythm, said today is mine. Type tick quick, so the whole chat knew. Said he caught that break, rode the move clean through. But another voice from the shadows replied, said slow down man, I was on that side. As Greg spoke, calm, breaking down the play. They kept talking in their own small way. Win or lose, they would both take part. Two different minds, but the same young star. And the chat went back and forth like waves. Two traders talking about the wins they gave. Little bit of pride, little bit of truth. Our learning in the sink or swim booth. Some days green and some days red, but they kept showing up like Greg once said. In the noise of the market and all that spin, they were both just trying to learn within. First one back by the points he made. Second one laughed, said I flipped that trade. One chase early, had to take that loss. Other stayed back, let the price exhaust. Still they joke like they always do. Throwing little lines, but it all rang true. Cause behind every jab and every claim was a deeper respect for the learning game. Greg kept teaching calm and clear. Why that setup work right there. And in between every word he'd say, they test their thoughts in their own small way. And the chat went back and forth like waves. Two traders talking about the wins they gave. Little bit of pride, little bit of truth. Our learning in the sing or swim booth. Even when no profits didn't come in, they stayed locked, didn't let down. Cause the real reward wasn't just the gain, it was building the skill through the loss and pain. Echo voices in the
Yeah, look at her pushing, man. Look at her pushing. It was looking really good for that short for a sec. Minus, we were forming a little bit of a bull flag here, right? But still, we broke the 400s. That should have been an important break. This wick down to the 389s was a pretty darn good wick down. So I am a little bit surprised that we're pushing up, but it's kind of what we talked about. Let's target those 500s for maybe a little shorty short. Oh my god, I'm freezing right now, too. I'm so stinking cold in this house. Man, our volume has been very, very nice today. Yeah, man, I don't know. Let's see. All screens. So, we have a lot of weakness everywhere, right? Weakness. A lot of weakness everywhere. We have a huge bear flag forming on NVIDIA. The only thing that's making me a little bit nervous, though, is we are slowly just stacking. What are the chances we just keep stacking all the way up until this 5-minute rejection point? So we might still have another, 15 minutes of going green before we might decide to go red. Same thing, triple Qs. We have a 5-minute candle without an upper wick. So we are forming a bear flag again. But it almost seems like we want to come up, put a wick on this. NVIDIA wants to come up, hit its rejection point. Same thing, ES has a rejection point right there. So that's why we're being a little bit hesitant at the moment. And then we are forming a Bull flag, oddly enough, on the 1 hour. Though this is always my juicy little target is, again, I don't think we're going to do it today because it would just be too insane. But this 1 hour candle right here that doesn't have a bottom wick, eventually, that's a massive imbalance we got to come fill. But again, I don't think we're going to be selling off, no 150 stinking points, or 550 stinking points today or nothing. But we'll see. Charles, help me! Man, we haven't seen Charles yet today. Oh, I've been gone for a week, and the algo didn't like it. The only person I got back was Good News, Driving Obsession, and Snakeskin. Oh, where are all my friends? Where'd all my friends go? That's a good break. That is a good break. Hey, what's up? Good morning, Solid Broadcast. Yes, sir, we're doing all right. We're up 346 on the day. So we're doing okay. Our best one was this guy here, and we followed this guy down. Admittedly, though, man, it just keeps looking so stinking weak. I keep entering these shorts, and I'm entering all of them way too early. I entered this short, you know, here on this candle break. When this candle broke these two, we had nice red. We had nice continuation down. I entered the short there. Entered more of the short when it hit my pivot line, luckily. And then, you know, made a decent amount on the way down. But admittedly, it's a little bit tough, man. Look at this. With 42, we have 42 as our average candle size. So you can't really go in with a lot of... You can't go in with a lot of weight. If you go in with 5 contracts and then you have 40 points go against you in that minute, that's a lot. So still waiting for these bear flags to play out. Solid price. I've been trying to get a nice short on ES, but I don't like the buy orders coming in. Right, dude? It's so infuriating. I don't know if you just caught that or not, but I just showed on the all screen, same thing, man. Like, it's teasing me for the short, right? Huge stinking bear flag forming. Really nice bear flag forming. Beautiful bear flag forming. But every single one, like you're saying, you're nervous of the buy orders. You can just see. I mean, we're trending up, and we have a 5-minute pivot point up here. We have a 5-minute pivot point up here on ES. ES is also bouncing off its 200 EMA right now. So it's a pretty hard place to trade. I want to be short right now as well because I think that all these bear flags are going to play out in a beautiful way. Like Q's has this big gap to the downside. So if NVIDIA plays out this bear flag, Q's rips to the downside, goes to this gap fill, ES, everything's going to follow. So I get it, man. I really want to be short right now. Even now, I mean, once again, here we are breaking kind of all of our support, all of our structures. Shoot, man, I wanted it to come up to the 500s before going short, though. Because this is what I've kind of been talking about. Here it is breaking support. That's what I did over here. Went short here, and it snuck right back up on me. So I'm nervous to go short right here. It comes up, does tap that 480s, and then we get that sell-off. So a little frustrating one today. But it's just because the candle size. 43 is just too large of a candle size. So you can't really go in with a hope and a poke and go 100 points against you. And then you're like, well, there's a decent little amount. You also like those reversions, don't you? Yeah, I do like reversions. Kind of a mixture of everything, really. I mean, my biggest thing is I really like 5-minute candles without wicks. If I have a 5-minute candle without a wick, then that's usually going to be my target. And then if there's a 1-hour candle that also is supporting that directional movement, then I get really excited. So we have this giant right here, this 1-hour candle right here, 28,895 that doesn't have a bottom wick. So sometime in the next week, I don't think it's going to be today, but sometime in the next week, we're definitely coming down to here. And we're going to you know, probably W. I bet you it'll be a W-shaped recovery. We're going to sell off, hit that, then we'll blast off. We are forming a little bit of a bull flag on the 1 hour, which is always nerve-wracking. And we have support at 29,315 for the 200. EMAs are curling down really nice, though. It's 10.17. Look at that, man. So look at that. I mean, this is what I keep talking about, too. It's looking so good for the shorts, and then you're getting these, because average candle size is 46 now. You're getting these big old spikes up. It's a 50-point spike up right there. Kind of wedging just a little bit. This is a perfect song right now, Fighting the Chop. This is what we're doing. We're just chopping the shit up right now. So out of curiosity then, Solid, what are you looking for ES? Are you going to wait until it comes up to 74.50? Are you kind of getting excited right now? I mean, if we can break 374 right now, I don't know, man. It seems like it'd be kind of good and ready. But still, it sucks that your stop is so high up. It's a 100-point stop. That's pretty hard. 100-point stops are hard. The stops are too large for me. I'm sitting on my hands. Man, kind of glad you're here, bud. What you're saying is making a lot of sense to me. You know? And I 1,000% agree with you, man. It's just one of those things. It's like, fuck. I mean, again, look at that. Nice rejection almost to the 50. We broke the previous candle. We have good downside. And then it pops. It friggin' rips. 87 to 45? 60 points? You did 2 micros. You're screwed. Not screwed, but there's 100, $30 right there. $140 now. Which really is fun. Like, it's a saying that everybody says, but it's so hard to actually stick to it and stuff like that. Is when they say, "Not every day is a day to trade." Or you really start to learn and understand that there really is only usually like 3 or 4 or 5 like golden trades during a session. It seems like where everything aligns and it just makes a lot of sense that it's happening in that direction. And then there's a lot of other trades that are just kind of like, yeah, we think it's going short, so let's go short. And then like this, it just goes against you and then comes down, then goes against you and comes down. We're just chopping too much right now. So don't force the trade, even though you could get 40 points in one direction, which would be nice. 40-point trade is a beautiful trade. But these are all, I feel like, in my opinion, gamble trades. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA was looking real weak, and now she's still pushing up to that 5-minute. ES's bear flag is kind of transitioning into a bull flag as well. Getting that support off that 200. And of course, quick shout out to Legends, our first affiliate. Woo! Love it. Code SOS. Love that code. Man, look at that. Such interesting, like, kind of like nice flow, like a little bit of chop, but for the most part, nice flow, steady waves, and then. Oh, there goes the shorts. Yeah, I mean, we gotta wait, see what it does at 470s now. I wouldn't have gone long down here, though. Man, see, now that we're here, I don't even know if I want it. Now we're here where we should start shorting. You know, 480s, perfect short spot.
Sink or swim, but we float together.
Because even now, even if you want to short, again, stop is going to be up here at 540s. Technically, you should put above it, like 555. 100-point stop again. I mean, technically, you could put it up at 500s, though. But same thing, 500. Yeah, I don't know. That's so hard, right? Go short here at the 480s. If it hits the 500s, you double down. And then you get out if it hits the 550s, and then you're screwed by that point. $74. Nope. Nope. I was literally just thinking like, you know what? It's a small enough stop. Maybe take the short right now. And just put the stop right here, like 488. And literally right as I was thinking it, the candle popped up. $500s. Ooh, yeah, ES is looking nice. Qs are looking nice. Oh, there you go. So, man, it's everything we just friggin' talked about. Look at this. I mean, that's the only good thing about this is it's frustrating sitting here doing nothing, but my God, did it not do exactly what we said? Everything was looking nice and weak, but we said, look at 5-minute candle without a wick. So Qs might come all the way up to there in the next, I said like 15 to 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure 15 to 20 minutes ago, which is pretty creepy. Then same thing, NVIDIA looking real weak with this bear flag, but it seemed like she wanted to push to the 5-minute. She's still pushing. ES, it looked like it wanted to push to the 5-minute. It hit the 5-minute. Ew. VIX came down, hitting its support right now. Oh, I hate that it keeps starting from the beginning. So here we are all the way up to the 5 stinking 20s. 530s now. I am going to try a short right there, though, if I'm being honest. I'm going to keep the stop tight, though. I might get stopped out right away at like $3. But we're in profit already. Just barely. Again, the only thesis behind this short right now is, you know, stops are basically at 550 or like 560, you know. So you're only risking 20, 30 points right now for what could be, you know, you could go down 100 points. So good risk to reward right now for shorts. Of course, it's always scary to go short when we keep going so high. $500s, shoot guys. 530s. Damn. Yeah, it's just too volatile today, though. I'm saying the right things, but it's hard to actually execute. Because the candle sizes are so large. We're up 350 on the day. Let's see if it wants to keep pushing or not. Man, it's glassy on the lake right now. There's a fisherman blasting by. Yeah, risk to reward values are tough in this kind of price action. I agree, man. And then it's just hard to, it's hard to take a trade with conviction. Right now, you see me, I'm just dropping stops in as fast as I can. We do have a 1 hour pivot point at 29,538. We almost hit it. We hit 531. 538 is the pivot point. 538. Basically right at the top of these candles here. Here's a new 5-minute candle. Doesn't have an upper wick at the moment. 517. Now it has a top wick.
Drop low. That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially if you're short, you can still wear the crown. Come on down, let it fall real clean. Red down the chart, but the count stay green. From the open bell to the final round, we just wait for that. Come on down. Yeah, man, spin the wheel. Read the chart. Play the game. Play it smart, big up Bob Barker, and big up Greg. When the market drops, we don't beg, we just smile and say, come on down.
Alright, sorry gang, just working on a text message here too. I own a woodworking company. You're in a short on MNQ. Not at the moment, man. Again, I was really fast for literally a half a second, and then I popped out instantly again. Though this isn't a bad spot. I mean, again, 540s. It's not a bad spot to short, just purely because you're, even though it seems like we're going up, your stop would be at 560s, so it's not a terrible stop, but maybe you're just guaranteeing to get stopped out. I mean, again, I don't mean to be just a complainer right here on the friggin' stream, but it is just one of those days. It's just taking so long for these moves to work out or play out and stuff like that, and there's just too big a price action in between. So for me to really feel comfortable about this short, now I want it to break back through 479. But, you know, that's like 70 points from now. So it seems so silly to wait for it to break that, because then again, your stop is back up here. So if it breaks it real quick, gets you excited, then sneaks all the hell way back up here, you have 70 points against you on the damn trade. And then you got to decide, am I doubling down or not? So admittedly, I'm quite frustrated with this price action today. I am almost thinking it's better to trade tomorrow instead of trade more today. But we're so close now to NVIDIA potentially rejecting off this pivot point. If NVIDIA can reject off that pivot point and bear flag play out, we're going to have a really nice short opportunity. So I keep kind of trying to stay for that.
Voices in the scroll, trying to master self-control. One said, tighten up that wrist. Other said, don't rush like this. Greg's voice steady through it all, teaching how to rise or fall. But it closed, they both that changed a bit. Not just numbers, but the way they think. One saw clearly where he went too fast. Started knew that patience really lasts. They didn't say it loud or bold, but the truth was there in the lines they told. Two traders growing side by side through the waves of ego and humble pride, and the chat still moved like the rising tide. Two traders drifting but unified through the wins, the losses, the things unseen. They were building more than a P&L screen. Sink or swim wasn't just a name, it was where they came to refine their game. And in every line that they typed within, they were both learning how to win. Yeah, man, not just trades, not just cause, but the voices behind it all. Sink or swim, we grow again.
Sorry, just stuck in my friggin' text messages here. As we're popping up, though, my God, I'm glad I'm not in the short. All the way up here to the 5 stinking 80s now, which again, you know, kind of scary to just short a friggin' bull market, but 580s, and here I am late at 567. So again, drop that chicken shit stop in. But great place to short is the 580s. Fuck me. I just didn't do it fast enough, though. And again, just huge, though. If you did it correctly, 580s, you could have gotten down to the 553s really quick. Now we're all the way back up here to almost the 600s. NVIDIA just blasted past their bear flag. Qs are ripping the heck up. ES is just ripping up. Fuck me, there we go, 604. We just broke a new high. No, we didn't. Not yet. We almost popped into a new session high. Wow. I mean, I guess the 1 hour bull flag obviously played out. But again, now we have a wickless 1 hour candle that is 750 points away. Miguel! What's up, big dog? How are we doing today, sir? We're doing okay over here. We're up 357. We're slowing down on the trades, though, because it's starting to get a little bit too... Yeah. And look at this, Mr. Miguel. We are finally a verifiable affiliate. So if you ever want to get a Legends plan, sir, for only $26 a month right now, for a 50K, use that code SOS. Which I really am so stinking excited about, man. I'm so stinking excited about it. I literally can't wait to see, like, does anybody even trade Legends? I don't know that. The price point is cheap enough, $26. That's basically Apex level now. I appreciate you, Miguel. I appreciate you, sir. Man, so close to doing a new session high, but just won't do it yet. Nvidia's curling back just a little. You kind of want it to pull back to 520s if you want to go long, or even 460s would be better. So again, the range of today is just insane. The range is so crazy. We have just such a huge range. How many different ways can we say large in range? Alright, let's finish this text message. $11,300, 3,000, 7,000 is still 7,000.
Tried to pull me under, seen that splash, heard that thunder. Stop, got tapped, but I keep my cool. Even deep waters got their rules. Bounce, bounce right back, now I'm reading flow. By a step in, yeah, I feel that glow. Reclaim strong like a surfer would. From the wipeout zone to the ride that's good. Every loss like a wave on the chin.
Dang, sorry. Let's go. Both flying. Oh, dang, sorry, gang. I wasn't even looking. Jose Miguel. Oh, guys. I'm trying to get fired up, but it's like 10:40. I've done okay today. I kind of don't want to miss it up because we're just going slow and shit. Trying to target this bull flag is what Miguel is saying. But yeah, just a finicky day. Nvidia is potentially going to break its previous candle, which might give us a little bit of room to the downside. ES pushed down a little bit. We basically popped through the top side of ORB, wicked it, and then had a nice little rejection. If we can break 538, which we're really close to doing, then that's us breaking our previous 5-minute candle right there. Shoot, who shorted at 600s? Who shorted right at the top? Now, if we break that, what could we expect? Maybe a 516? If we break 530s, can we go down to 516? Again, that risk to reward is terrible, though. Terrible, terrible, terrible risk to reward. Trying to get 16 points, but you're risking like 60. Yeah, dude. Risk to reward today is terrible. Terrible. Wow, ES is selling a lot harder than everybody else. That's weird. Wow. ES is really selling off. I'm taking this short purely just because of ES. Which again, fuck me. I just talked about risk to reward. This is terrible risk to reward. I just got out of my short, said Solid. Yeah, man. I literally... Oh, God. That's the problem with me sitting here for too long sometimes. Is I get bored and I start clicking stuff that I shouldn't be clicking, you know? So here I am talking about risk to reward is terrible. It might come all the hell way up here. I don't like using stops half the time. I'm going to use a stop. I'm going to get stopped out. This is a terrible trade. That was dumb of me. Stop should be up here at 572, but again, I don't want to lose more money on the stupid trade. Yep, there we go. You idiot. Fuck me. Yeah, that was a dumb trade. Dumb trade for no reason. And it was literally what I was just talking about, too. I mean, we broke that level, so it was nice, but I just clicked the button because ES was going down, and we shouldn't do that. A little bit more excited about this one, though, admittedly. Damn, it's a 5-minute candle that doesn't have a bottom wick. Those always get me so excited. I began shorting at 449.75. Hell yeah, dude. Great short, man. Great short. Wow, look at the strength right now. Damn. And again, frustrating because I literally just said, what if you short here? And then it goes 70 points against you. And literally I shorted. Luckily I got stopped out quickly, but there's the 70 points. Good God. So maybe 660s would be my next target. If it just keeps going up, I'd go for 660s. Shoot, man. I hate when I lose a trade, though. Now I'm like, I want to get into another trade, and it's probably the last thing I should do. I should probably just shut it down right now. Oh, man, look at that push. For what? Why? What is this push for? Why? Thinking about shorting again, which just feels insane since it just keeps pushing up so strong. But 650s, I mean, originally that's where I was saying, well, 659 is where the stop should kind of be. But we're getting such big pushes up. Why are we getting these big pushes up? Shit, man. So volatile. We have our 1050 candle coming in a minute and a half, so keep that in mind. That 1050 candle is usually a little bit volatile. Damn. I gotta pee again, man. I think it's gonna drop though, just a little. We're starting to form a bull flag though.
Chart, then I kill the screen. Nasdaq moves still fresh in my head, but today it's waves where the lines get red. Meg on the boat with the ears in the wind. Jet by my side like let's go again. Ducks glide by in a perfect row, like clean little candles in a steady flow. Fire up the wake boat, engine hum low. Set that speed, let the good times roll. Ballast heavy, build that. Now we got a wave I can really chase. No red or green, just blue all around. But the same calm mind when I'm breaking it down. With the charts of water, I stick to the plan. Read the flow, stay cool. Be the man. Sink or swim, but I'm riding clean. From the market open to the lake serene. Meg and Jet, yeah, they roll with him. Life's one way. Sink or swim. Oh, let it ride. Don't trade, gotta trust the time. Ducks drift by while the sun dips in. We just laugh at the edge. Sink or swim, yeah. Drop the rope, now I'm locked in glide. Carving that wake like a rising tide. Same discipline from the morning trade. Now it's flow on water, no fear, no shade. Jet barks loud when I hit that turn. Meg stays cool like she already learned. Ducks scatter quick when the wake rolls through.
Forming a bull flag now. Still looking good on everything. Damn. – 15 seconds before another candle. Fuck, we're up 304 on the day. Huh. It's almost like you just go long and close your eyes. Yep. $660s. This is where I originally was thinking about shorting. I don't know if I want to do it anymore. 318, my birthday. Hey. Man, we still have this 5-minute candle without a wick that would bring us down 100 points. 548. Nvidia is just slowing way the heck down. Man, I'm so glad I got my puppy again, though. Obviously, well, you know, that's why I was gone the last week. Because we were on vacation, and now we're back, and we got the puppy. He's such a good boy. Look at his pup. Look at his big old black dog. Aww. Back down here to the 630s. Go pop. It's 11:50. Well, 10:55. It's almost 10:55. We're just gonna give it a little bit longer here, gang, and then we're gonna call it quits. We're gonna give up while we're still ahead. Man, I gotta go mow the lawn too, which I love stuff like that. As funny as that is, I just got a 50-inch deck lawnmower the other day, and it's been so much fun. Yeah, you're right, Wyatt. A lot of pending orders coming in at 465 to 467, 465 to 467. Man, I usually have I just keep saying man today. Man. Do you use Bookmap? Usually I have Bookmap up, and I'm not today. Where is it? I have my own order flow software. Dang! Look at you, big dog. That's pretty cool, man. So tell me the differences then compared to Bookmap. Because Bookmap, man, it's fucking... Ooh. You know, you're looking at a billion things at one time on Bookmap. So what do you have it change? What do you have different on yours? Where'd you get it? How do I get it? Basically, is what we're asking. Gold. I don't want to see gold. Okay, so let's go back to your previous thing. A lot of pending orders, 465, 467, 465, 467. Yeah, man, I'm seeing some big orders up here at 475 actually. Which for NQ, that's putting us at 29,700. Huh. Wow. Yeah, I mean that's a lot of orders right there. There's a lot of orders at 29,675 and a whole bunch of orders at 29,700. They're still sitting there. Now I'm seeing a whole bunch of orders at 480 for ES. Let's see if Axe gets smashed because there were just a lot of pending sell orders. Asset getting smashed, which is accelerating the upside. Yeah. Man, so is there any way, I obviously know, but with your own software, is there any way to kind of like detect spoofing? And is there any way to kind of like, I don't know, get those false orders out of there, you know? Up here, the 470s, no quit inner. Damn, look at this. Just keeps pushing. Average range is now 26. Still see all the orders sitting there.
Nasdaq Futures giving me a chance. VWAP sitting like a line in the sand. Price pool.
Damn, look at this.
Making a stand. Volume building, yeah, I feel that heat. Momentum rising like a drum line beat. Palm trees swaying, but my mind stays sharp. Riding every wave like I'm playing my part.
Ooh, we got a new 1 hour candle coming in just 50 seconds now. I run my own indicators on there. It uses the actual orders that get filled. Dang, dude, that's some really cool stuff. I like it. I started blasting into a lot of different kind of indicators and technology and blah, 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 and I've kind of slowed down on a lot of it. I was using AI a lot for order flows too. Up here, the 680s now. So that was our 50% of ORB breakout as well, coming up here to the 677s. New 1 hour candles opening up. We do have a teeny tiny little top wick on it. And we have a teeny tiny little bottom wick on it too, so kind of no directions there. Yeah, I do. Hold on 1 sec, sir. Admittedly, I'm not very active on my Discord, but hell yeah, man. Let's see it. Up to 685s now. Yeah. We saw that 700s. That 700s wants to get hit. All those orders are still just sitting there. Now we're at the 690s. Ugh. It's so frustrating sometimes just watching this stuff. You just watch it go and 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 watch it go. Ooh, yeah, I don't know, man. I think it's slowing down too much. See, like Nvidia is just ding 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 ding. They're in just a little chop zone now. I'm surprised that ES just blasted off the way it did, and honestly, the Qs, the way that we just blasted off the way we did. Damn, man. So this is your...
wrong, just sell your punctuation. And that's stuff that we can go over quickly. Why? You gotta try your best, babe. Give it another 5 minutes, okay?
Man, this thing is gorgeous, actually. I just even like the visualization of this. It looks really, really, really stinking nice. So what is it? What am I looking at? Is it like red levels are higher buy-sell levels? Blue is lower buy-sell? One hour point of control, 4 hour point of control. That's pretty friggin' cool. Oh, you got the 5 minute and the 15 too. Dude, this is kind of a cool chart, man. I like what you got going on here. Man, screenshot the if you don't mind, screenshot it for there are my own calculations. No way, man. And how long have you been using it for? You're finding good success with it and everything, presumably. Beautifully done. Yeah, if you don't mind, man, take a screenshot. Switch it over to NQ really quick. Take a screenshot. Send that to me. I would love to see that over the day. Just see how it kind of like interacts over the day. Well, all the way up to the 706s now. Just still pushing up. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy day. And crazy that I've been just targeting shorts all day. I've made money only going short. Have you ever considered selling it, man? Like, I feel like that's kind of the, I don't know, at least my plan here with this, you know, channel and everything. It's kind of about monetizing every aspect. It seems like you'd almost make more money from the monetization than you can from trading. Like Patrick Whelan, you know, who I learned from. My God, the guy makes, what, like $500 a year? Again, this is like a year ago. This is old information. It might be different now, but $500,000 a year trading. Maybe it gets up to $1 million a year trading. Maybe. But he's making like 20 mil and everything else. The affiliates and the YouTube and the blah, 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 right? So same thing, man. That indicator. You can make a lot of money off those indicators. I'd have to load up all the data. It takes about 15 minutes for the chart to boot up. Oh no. To switch it over to NQ. Shoot, man. Well, if you ever end up doing it, let me know. I would love to see it. I'd probably sell the charting software. What you see on the charts are my own indicators I coded on that charting software. Probably sell the charting software. Yeah, well, you'd almost want it to be like an overlay type thing, right? Oops, that was the wrong thing to click. Man, I can't believe we smashed the 700s like that. And we saw it too. We saw it on Bookmap. That's kind of fun. Now I'm seeing it on 737, 750s. Good strong levels, 737, 750s. Look at this push though, just no pullback. Can't even get like the 660s real quick. So 100% for our ORB breakout would be 771. but I wouldn't sell my indicators. Everything on there are my own calculations. Even the things that look like moving averages are based on order flow data, supposed to represent the shift of fair value through time. Damn, so do you have to, is that a tweak you have to do every morning then? Or are those calculations that are just set up so you can set it and forget it? Or is it depending, you know, day by day? Like if you have 40 average candle sizes, does the calculations change at all?
Now the channel growing, people tuning in from across the world. Yeah, we building a win. Every stream another life get changed, from confusion in the charts to a structured brain. Now remember when I didn't understand. Now I break it down simple, step by step plan. If I can do it, yeah, you know you can too. Just stay consistent, let the process come through. Sink or swim, yeah, we rise every day. New York open, yeah, we lead the way. From the first trade jitters to a calm mindset, turning doubt into a system you can trust and bet. Sink or swim, yeah, we building it right. From the morning bell into late night light. More than money, it's a life we design. Freedom in the charts and control of your time. Yeah, man, hit that light every morning. Bring your charts, bring your mind. Sink or
No tweaking, the calculations are on the orders themselves coming in. Oh yeah, another thing I'm curious about. So what did you say? I began shorting it at 449.75. So 449.75. 449.
New York open every day. Pull up.
Okay. So when you entered that trade too, I guess it was at the 5-minute point of control, essentially. I can't obviously click on everything perfectly, but that's pretty cool, man. I love it. I love it. Very, very cool. Good job, sir. All right, I'm going to give it like 3 more minutes, gang. I'm kind of done. We're up 318 on the day. We've had some good trades. We've had some bad trades. Now we're just directionally pushing. So it's almost like you go long and you just close your eyes, but there's got to be a trap, you know, sooner than later, and I don't want to be a part of it. So the only thing I might do is if it comes down to the 21, like the 680s, sooner than later, I'll try to take a quick little long with a stop being at the 50s. And that might be our last trade, but if it keeps just being directionally like this, then I don't really want to do it. I didn't enter those trades, more just guidance around your own trading. That's cool. Well, I certainly appreciate you hanging out with us today, sir. You know, don't hesitate to subscribe, and hopefully we see you again tomorrow. I was gone for a week. I was on a cruise for the last 8 days. So I took a whole week off streaming. It's the first time that I've taken a week off streaming since starting this channel 5 months ago. And I think YouTube is penalizing me just a little bit. Because usually we have, not that it's amazing, but usually we have like, you know, 12 to 15 concurrent viewers. Right now we're at 5. So we definitely got punished a little bit. Arrows shows you candles where abnormal volume happened. That's interesting, and it shows you the percentage of volume. But of course, so you won't see that until after the candle closes, right? So the candle has to close, and then you'll see the abnormal volume indication. It'd be nice if it could happen while it's doing it.
Q, that's a lowercase q. It is.
Yeah, very, very interesting, man. The direction of where it prints is misleading. It does have to close. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It has to fully close, which that stinks a little bit because it's almost like, man, if you get those numbers within the first 15 seconds of the candle, maybe you could get a little edge there. But yeah, curiosity, man. I was an economics major, so data sets and everything else, you know, really starts scratching the brain a little. Usually just shows you ahead of time before the impulse happens. Yeah, cool stuff, man. Well, we've sunken down to just average 10-point candles. Like 15s. Little 15 pointers. Alright, let's see. Let's see if this is our time that we come down, kiss the red, and then keep going up. So we want it to come back down to 693. We might potentially take a long. That's awesome. I'm taking my second CMT on the 20th. Man, I gotta be honest. It's been so long since I graduated college now. I'm 38. I honestly don't even know what CMT is anymore. Taking my second CMT on the 20th. Is that a economics certification? Presumably. Constant maturity treasury. Chartered market technician. Oh, sweet, dude. So this is literally what you do for a job then. Is you create indicators and stuff like that. Damn, so yeah, tell me, what is your job? What do you actually do for your job then? And are you learning this stuff for your just self? Are you self-employed and you're just a full-time trader and you're utilizing it for your trades? Or do you work for a bigger institution? I was a financial advisor for 3 years before I began taking trades on cash. Want to do this full time? Hell yeah, bud. Hell yeah. Live the dream, right? Have your money make money is literally the most beautiful American concept that we can that we can literally come up with. That's awesome, man. And that's what this channel is about as well. You know, I had that mentorship with Patrick Wheeland about a year ago. I was doing pretty darn decent at day trading, just normal stocks. And then he introduced me to futures, the world of futures and everything else. And I've been kind of addicted ever since, man. It's just a wild friggin' world. It's like the Wild West. You know, there's so many different facets and ways to make money, like this affiliate code right here, the SOS code, you know. But yeah, little younger, just turned 26. Yeah, I'm 37 now. Well, I'm 38. My God, I always forget. 38 now. That's what happens. You get above 30, everything goes downhill, bud. You just wait and see. You're feeling good now. Second you turn 30, I guarantee you, a week after your 30th birthday, you're gonna sneeze weird in the shower and you're gonna throw your neck out for 2 weeks. Guarantee it. It's just what happens when you turn 30. Sucks, man. And then anybody that you say that to that's older is like, oh, wait till you hit 40, wait till you hit 50. It's like, fuck me, man. I don't want to hit any of that then. But yeah, man, try to think about that. Think about you're in a unique position, right? An interesting league of people. Fuck me. there it is. There's the 700s we were talking about. Hey, maybe if it hits this, red line again, maybe we should kind of go for it. And then I hesitated, right? Because, but look at that push up. Beautiful push up from the 700s. What time is it? We got 15 seconds left of this candle. I've been collecting Apex accounts. If you have an affiliate link for them, I'll throw you a bone. Man, I'm trying to. I'm trading Apex right now, too. I sent an email to them, I don't know, like a month ago. They keep saying no. But you can try, man. Try my code out of curiosity. Just anyways, the next time you get an Apex account, use SOS as your code. And even if it doesn't work, at least it'll probably flag in their system as somebody trying to utilize a code. And then I can, email them again and say, hey, gang, we got people wanting Apex accounts. Damn, dude, 730s. Look at that. Fuck me. Literally talked about 700s. Hey, if it comes down to this red line, let's take a long with our stop being at the blue line. We'd be up 40 points and we'd be pretty happy right now. Damn. Said the right thing, didn't do it. 711. 760s. We should at the very least go to 760s now. Now we're FOMOing at the top, gang. So don't follow FOMOs at the tops. These aren't good trades. These are not good, sensible trades. These are just, fuck me. I've been sitting here for too long. This will be my last trade of the day, too, since we're making silly trades like this. And we'll certainly take it early. The second it gets green, I'll probably drop the stop in and walk away. This is a brand new 5-minute candle, so I didn't even pay attention to that before I entered the trade. Damn. Yeah, shit. Oh, come on. Oh, not looking good at all, gang. Not looking good at all. Damn. Yeah, not looking good, gang. Not looking good. I'm going to get stopped out of both. Fuck me. Damn it. Damn it, I always do that too. The very last friggin' trade of the day. Ugh. Yeah. Fuck me. Look at that. Stupid. 100 points. 100 bucks. Cool, bud. That's a good story. Great job. Great job, bro. But the voices behind it all. Fuck me. So dumb. Oh, so dumb. Yes. New 5-minute candle in 10 seconds here. London closes in 6 minutes. Thank you, sir. You're right. So we're hitting some weird volatility right now. Darn it, man. How dumb. I should have just walked away. I was ready to walk away. I was about to walk away. And then I always just do that. You know, maybe one more. Damn, look at this push down. Yeah, I did. Good job. You low. Damn, ORB box would be all the way down here at 586. That'd be 100 points from now still. You got this, man. I can tell you're a good trader. I appreciate you. Solid broadcast. Oh, it's probably survey. Yeah, I know. 680s, 670s. Motherfucker. Dang it, man. That might be true. Wow, Nvidia's fallen. Just brief moment of FOMO. I know, dude. That's what kills me, right? Ugh. And then I get so infuriated by it, too. And I'm like, And then usually the next 2 or 3 decisions aren't always great ones either, which we know. Wow, still breaking.
Seen that splash, heard that thunder. Stop, got tapped, but I keep my cool. Even deep waters got their rules. Bounce, bounce right back. Now I'm reading flow. By your step in, yeah, I feel that glow. Reclaim strong like a surfer would. From the wipeout zone to the ride that's good. Every loss like a wave on the chin. Salt in my mouth, but I still grin. Cause I know one ride can change it all. From a small time drift to a major call. Pressure builds, but I stay locked in. That's the edge if you're gonna win. No regrets when the trade begins.
New 5-minute candle coming in just 15 seconds here. Son of a gun. We're up 228 on the day. Ugh. Ugh. So dumb. $584, $548. Shoot. There's a 5-minute candle right here at 548 we can target that doesn't have a bottom wick. If we think it's going to keep selling, which it seems to be right now. Oh. All right.
Let it ride out, no stress, no press. Close it green as the sun dips low. Another day in the ebb and flow. Win or lose, I respect the sea. Cause it gives and takes so honestly. Sink or swim, yeah, I'm all the way in. Either drown in fear or rise to win. Feel that pull, but I won't give in. I ride that way. Sink or swim.
Ooh, that was orb. That was orb hit at 580, 548. I think I'm done for the day. It was nice finding your channel. I will be back. Yeah, dude, an absolute pleasure, man. Thank you so much for hopping in today. Definitely very intrigued about everything you got going on with your indicators and everything else. Super exciting. We'd love to see you back tomorrow. Otherwise, yeah, good luck on that second CMT as well, bud. That's pretty damn cool. Pretty dang cool. I want this bear flag to play out right away. I don't want it to come up to the 9. The only thing that makes me nervous is that friggin' orb tap.
Wake up early, charts go blue. Nasdaq moving, yeah, I'm watching the queue. VWAP flying like a tide rolling. Patience in my mind, let the session begin. Coffee in hand by the lakeside dock. Price action ticking like a
I still think we need to go lower.
green candle rising. I don't chase, I wait. Discipline sharp, yeah, I regulate. Slow gains build, never rush.
Man, I'm just not honestly doing a great job at this.
From the screen to the sea, I align my mind.
I keep getting out and then getting right back in at the spot I got out at. They keep going in the right direction, but then it's just like, man, I just, fuck, do that better.
Surf waves and the good vibes flow. Got my dogs, my ducks, yeah, we all in the glow. Financial freedom, yeah, I'm feeling so right. Stars on the water every single night. From the charts to the shore, man, I love this view. Living life clean with my
Figure out how to jump back up.
Make so tiny, yeah, she barely make a sound. Jet run wild, yeah, he always running round. They on the dot while I'm making my call.
Come on, dude. Just go. $558. It still didn't do it. We need 549. We need 550. Here's our new 5-minute candle. Oh, shoot. It wicked quick and then wicked back up. I don't like that. Damn, come on. Alright, gang. My brain is shot. We can't trade any longer. There's definitely... The short is here. The short is here. The target is 548. I've been trying to get it. But now I'm just... I can't do it anymore. We're up 268 on the day. My first day back trading. Been gone for a week. Man, it's crazy how much it actually takes it out of you. Like concentrating. So that's it. I love you guys to death. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Today was the first day of our beautiful affiliate link. We're very excited about that. So please use code SOS. And use code SOS for any affiliate that you try to purchase, because even if we don't have them yet, maybe that'll, you know, poke them in the right direction and start accepting us. I don't know how to say it. I can't even talk anymore. Love you guys. Have a good day. Stay green. Hello.